Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of travel essentials with this toiletry bag for men, crafted from full-grain leather in a stylish distressed brown finish. This spacious travel pouch measures 10.5 by 5.5 by 6 inches, offering ample room to store all your toiletries, shaving kits, and bathroom essentials, whether you're on the go or at home. Designed with multiple internal compartments, this bag ensures easy organization and quick access to your items, while its water-resistant material protects your belongings from unexpected spills. The retro design adds a touch of elegance, and the convenient side handle makes it easy to hang in the bathroom or closet. Perfect for business trips, camping, or family outings, this versatile bag is a great gift for anyone who loves to travel. Plus, with its wet-dry separation feature, you can keep your wet accessories separate from dry toiletries, making your travel experience more convenient and enjoyable. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction, so if you encounter any issues, please reach out for a prompt solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.